Going into a woodland and seeing its complexity, species, number of tracks and the terrain can feel very overwhelming. You wonder how you can get your head around managing and creating a management plan for such complexity. There is a natural and obvious way that we do this in forestry, which is to subdivide the woodland into units that make sense. We call these units compartments, and these can be further broken down into subcompartments. The division and subdivision of your woodland is critical to your plan of operations, as each compartment and subcompartment will have a separate set of operations assigned to it in your 10-year management plan. So how do we go about creating those compartments and subcompartments? If we zoom into this woodland here, we can see a river running through it, which creates a natural barrier between one part of the woodland and the other. For example, we'll call everything to the right of the river compartment 1, and everything to the left we'll call compartment 2. Now we need to subdivide these compartments because there is still a lot of complexity within them. The first way we might subdivide units is by infrastructure. If we look at the area of the compartment 1, we can see that there's an area that is naturally subdivided, surrounded by the river on one side and tracks on the other. This forms a discrete unit irrespective of what's inside it. It's a small manageable unit, and we'll call that compartment 1A. The second way we might subdivide is by species or woodland type. So in this other area of compartment 1, we have an area with big mature trees in one corner and denser younger trees in the other. So let's divide those up. The bigger maturer trees we'll call compartment 1B, and the denser younger trees we'll call compartment 1C. Finally, the other way of subdividing is by creating compartments based on your objectives. If we look at compartment 2, we'll see that it's fairly uniform at the moment, but near the river we might want to change that into a more diverse, ecologically rich riparian zone. So let's divide that from the rest of the compartment and call that compartment 2A. It's going to have very different management from the rest, so we'll call the other part that's going to stay as it is compartment 2B. It's worth bearing in mind though that the infrastructure, the species and your objectives can all come into play here, and it's only by being in your woodland, understanding it and seeing what divisions make sense on the ground that you can really come up with a comprehensive compartment map.